The next important tool in CorelDRAW is the freehand tool. The shortcut is F5. So it is found after the zoom tool. After the zoom tool, can you see it? Freehand tool. So we point it freehand tool to draw curves and straight line segment. Also use it to draw parallel lines. Two lines that are horizontally facing each other. You can also do it to draw. This is what you can use it to do. Parallel lines, straight lines, horizontal or vertical. So let's go with this one. So to draw a straight line, let's start with that first. Draw a straight line. You click where you want to draw on the drawing box or artboard. Click with your left click and hold shift. Okay. So this is a parallel. Okay, let me change this. Let me change this. So let's just okay, let's start with parallel lines. So to draw a parallel lines on CorelDRAW, a line that will be facing each other. So you click on these parallel lines. Can you see it? Parallel drawing. So and you then click on this. So you click on this. Can you see it? This place, parallel lines. So once you click here, anywhere you want to draw, can you see they're together? You can change the distance. You can make it 2. You can make it 3, sorry, 2. Can you see there? Okay, you can change it. Can you see? Once you draw it, the space is increasing. The number of lines, can you see it? The number of lines is not increasing. So, but this height is the space in between them. Can you see it? So, this for the parallel lines. You can just explore more. So, you can just check it parallel. So, this is it. Can you see them? To the left and right. So let's remove it. We don't. Let's off for the parallel lines. So we'll click on it back. So still on the freehand tool, you can draw a. Can you see it? It's only one line now. So hold down this shift to make it straight line. Shift and draw. Well, if it's okay here, then you click on it with your left click again and move your hand. Let's do it again. Click where you want it to be. Let's do vertical now. Vertical is horizontal. So hold down shift. If it is okay for you here, then you click again. That's all. So you can also use it to draw a zigzag lines. So anyhow, you just draw. Do you move your pencil, your hand on the paper while using pencil? Because it's called a freehand tool. So click with your left click and hold down. Can you see it? So let's assume you did mistake here. You want to go back. Hold shift and move back. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see it? Hold shift, move back. Hold shift, move back. Can you see it? That place that is red now will be minus. Minus. Can you see it? Can you see it? So you can just, if you want to continue from there. So let's draw again. So let's continue. Can you see it? Just continue. You don't hold down control. Just move your hand the way you want it to be. Can you see it? This is not okay for us. We draw again. Then you drag. You draw. Hold down. Don't move your hand on the left click till you get what you want. So can you see it? So and let's assume we did mistake here. Hold down the shift key and go back. If it's okay like this for you, see your hand on the left click, just move your hand on shift. Your hand on the left click, can you see it? It has come back. So this is how it is. I think that's all. You can adjust the arrowhead if you wish. Can you see the arrowhead? You can change it. I think and just play with it. So can you see it? Once you zoom it down, you zoom to. Can you see it? This is the arrowhead. You can adjust the width of the text. Can you see it? The width, outline, width. Can you see it? Let's put it like 2. Can you see it? The more, if it is in point, we'll talk more about this in outline. So This is what you need to know about the freehand tool. You are welcome.